What's up everybody? Today I have another unboxing for you guys. It's a WE Glock 19, it's a Gen 4. It comes with its standard instructions right there. The Gen 4 comes with these two different back plates. If you want a larger or smaller grip. You even get the hardware to install the different grips. The pistol itself. The weight it's pretty good. It's a metal slide and polymer bottom. The magazines are double stack and I think they hold like 24 rounds. They're really good on gas too. You can get, if you let them warm up between the mags, you can get at least 2.5, 3 mags out of one gas fill. The traits are decent. The G logo 19, Austria, 9x19. The sights are okay. You got a rail down here too, with this weird Airsoft safety right here. It's a pain in the ass. It also have the normal Glock trigger safety. Got a really nice sound to it too. See if I have any gas in my magazine. They actually got a really nice kick for being such a small pistol. That was my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys later.